Navigate to the Manage Office in the app drawer, then click on Custom Fields. Custom fields capture additional patient information which is not included in standard demographics. Common types of custom fields are: text field, for short, text-based information, for example preferred pharmacy. Checkbox field, for binary or multiple choice options, for example patient consent for procedure. Number field, to capture numeric data, for example procedure count. Date picker field, to select a date from a calendar, for example vaccine date. Currency field, to capture monetary values, useful for billing or insurance. Single select field, to choose one option from a predefined list, for example treatment plan. Multi-select field, to select multiple options from a list, for example medical condition. For each field, provide a field label. Select whether it's mandatory or not, set it as active or inactive, and then click Add. The new custom field will appear in patient demographics. To modify or remove a custom field, click Edit or Delete from the side menu options.